how to strengthen your core for lower back pain. So we're going to create that scaffolding around our lumbar spine so that we can make sure that we are not getting in painful positions. So we're going to come onto our back. The first one is our innermost layer of core, which actually functions when we laugh or cough. So just turning that one on, and we're going to lift our legs up and place them back down, trying not to move the back. Progressing from this, we can come into a long lever leg all the way up and up into a pike if you like. Then we're going to come into our obliques. So we can just come into a seated position, legs up or down if you like, and just coming across. We can add weights to this one as well. It's going to work all those obliques there. And then we can come into our final movement, which is going to come into our rec abs. So those nice six-pack abs that everybody loves. Coming into the longest position you can possibly think about. Placing the hands up, pulling from the fingers all the way to the toes, and rolling all the way back down. And they're all four of our abs. This is Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends, and I will see you on the next one.